I've made this course because I was teaching students for the past 3.5 years, and I notice I teach the same things again and again. And instead of just one person benefiting from his time one-on-one with me, when 10 other people or more can benefit at the same time, that's why I've created this beginner course. This is all the baseline you need to start speaking Spanish fluently within 4 weeks. Even when you have a very small vocabulary, it doesn't actually matter how much you know or don't know. The reason for that is because this is the baseline. You want to know all those things very, very well. It's kind of like counting from 1 to 10, and then from 1 to 20, and then from 1 to 100. This is the baseline for everything. After that, you can expand infinitely. So complete this course in your own time. Listen to it in the car, practice after dinner, whenever you have time and attention to put into it. It's not a lot and it's not very complicated. You just want to know it like air, like the air we breathe, like second nature. So do that, and then you will be ready to continue to build the second level. Second level will be more vocabulary, more detailed scientific details of the different time tenses and how they work, and also how some of the things work differently in Spanish than how they do in English, for example. And so this is second step, so that comes later. First of all, make sure you know the baseline really, really well. I hope you have fun, and I'll see you in the next course. Judith, thank you.